Hey Smarty, have you ever found yourself in a situation where someone is talking with you in English language and you find it difficult to frame sentences and you are running out of the words? You struggle to communicate and end up feeling embarrassed? If you often feel like this, then my friend, you are not alone and helpless. We, at English for Beginners, have developed certain tools and techniques which will really help you in several ways. 1. Improve your English speaking skills. 2. Enhance your vocabulary. 3. Boost your confidence level. 4. Improve your presentation skills. 5. Boost your overall life satisfaction. So, to begin with, the very important thing you need to do is to get familiar with your own voice when you are speaking in English language, and also your tongue needs get adjusted well with the English language. For this, so you need to practice this exercise on regular basis. Every day, please dedicate 2 minutes for this activity. All you have to do is to start talking to yourself for 2 minutes on the topic, which is given in this video. Make sure that you are in an isolated place while practicing this. Good luck, Smarty. So your topic for the day is Hello Smarty. If you love practicing with us, then please like this video, share, and please subscribe to our channel.